What's going on, ding dongs? I got something new going on. It's a little different. It's not the drift car, it's the mini bike. So as you guys have seen, this thing's pretty good. It rips pretty well, you know, nothing wrong with it. But it's slower than Sylvia's mini bike and my second mini bike. This thing's just sketchy as hell to ride though. I don't fit on it. No suspension, brakes suck. Yeah, that thing's just a death trap. But this thing I love, and I love how it handles. I love everything about it. So I'm gonna put that Predator 212 right here. So we're gonna tear all this down, take everything out, and we're gonna make this thing gas so it's a lot faster. Alright. There we go. Hell. This is an electric throttle, which obviously won't work on a gas mini bike. There we go. Use this for something else someday. Whoops. Alright, that's off. Alright, let's do the big stuff. This is just double-sided tape. That guy knows what's up. Pretty easy to take the belt off. Be careful not to pinch your finger. And then take this pulley off. There we go. See, the set screws make little indents. That really fucks shit up. So now we can take the whole motor out. This is all that was powering this thing. This one tiny little motor. Just look at the size of it. It's crazy the difference between gas and electric motors. So here's the motor. And this is the Hall effect sensor right here. This right here. I don't know if you can see it. This right here. That's the Hall effect sensor. Let me get it out so then you can see it better. Alright, but this is the motor right here. It's a brushless DC motor. It's called an outrunner because the outside of it spins. And this is the Hall effect sensor. So this measures the position of the motor. Because the speed controller, which is this guy right here, this is just a GPU fan that I taped it to so that it would keep it cool. This is the ESC, which controls the motor. It doesn't know what position this is in until it's spinning. At low RPMs, this thing really sucks. Like it would chatter and it wouldn't move, so you would have to like give it a push and then start going. So I installed this Hall effect sensor that measures the exact position of the magnet poles, so that way it works in a low RPM. So now you know how electric motors work. This is before I had a welder. So that's why everything's held together with a shit ton of screws. Oh wow, these are loose.
Yeah, I probably should have gone over this thing a couple times as I wrote it. The whole thing's just loose.
This is a retainer. I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so here's how the whole system works. So this, it's all 3D printed. So this goes in there like that. This goes like that. So, chain spins this, or motor spins this with a belt. It's a reduction of like 2.8 to 1, I think, is a reduction. I have the retainer bearing here so that this doesn't tilt or anything. And then that spins this, which then goes to this, which is another 6 to 1, you know what I mean, 6 to 1 reduction. So the final gearing is like 15 point something to 1. Yeah, and then this is the belt tensioner. This is the belt tensioner. See? Oh wow, these rods have completely backed out from vibrations and heat. But yeah, I like this whole setup. It's freaking sweet. It turned out awesome. Probably just gonna keep it as like a little display. Just gonna take these pulleys and stuff off because I need them. There's the how it looks assembled. Dick. This is from all my testing and failure and versions that didn't work out. But that's okay because I'm going to be extending this. I don't know, maybe I won't, we'll see. This bracket for the brakes is going to get cut and welded here because the wheels are going to be on the other side because the engine has the sprocket on this side. So this is all going to get flipped. Chain's going to go somehow through here. It's going to be fun to try to figure all this out. Might have to use a jack shaft here or something. Engine's going to go here with a torque converter. So yeah, let's try to fit it. See how much we're going to have to modify, because this is probably going to have to get all extended and stuff. Because I want this all to be taller and longer. Basically turn it into a real dirt bike without having to buy a real dirt bike. Damn, this tire got worn down quick. Alright. Let's get this Predator out of here. Man, these things are so light. Oh, it doesn't have a pull start? What the hell? What the heck is this? Let's take everything apart that we won't need, because this is gonna not fit. Just like this. Yeah, there's no way. Let's get the gas tank off. There we go. Alright, let's see. Is there any chance of this fitting? Nope, I don't think so. No, this is gonna have to get way extended. You're nice. This is gonna be a lot of modification. I mean, it's pretty close. I think all it needs is to be taller. No, just be vertical because I have a lot of room here still. Oh wait, I don't because I'm gonna have bigger wheels. Well, maybe I'll get a different fork too, because this fork is blown and it bottoms out when I go hit those jumps. So the biggest problem is this valve cover.
and this right here.
So as you see, this is not going to be easy.
Cut it right here. Try to cut it right against the notch. And then have this go like this and extend this bar like that.
This thing's walking off the jacks. Finally. Let's try to disconnect this brake.
Alright, this is out. Let's see how the engine fits now and where we can put the angle. So this will go like that. So yeah, this will go like this. Change go like that. Meet up somewhere here. I can probably extend this too. I can probably do this with it. See, this is plenty of room here. This can move forward still because I can cut that ridge off and I can move forward even more. It's got like a couple inches there. But yeah, this will definitely work. I'm gonna have to redo this whole suspension thing. I'm probably gonna cut that whole loop off and then just mount the shock on that beam right there. Get a bigger shock. And it'll probably just go from here to here. But I'm gonna grind that down so it's nice and flat so we can notch new tubing, weld it to that, and that'll be good. It's gonna be sick. I'm so excited to do this. This is gonna be so sick. Let's look at that thing, dude. It's badass.
Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs. This is gonna be episode 1 of the mini bike to electric mini bike to gas mini bike conversion / enlargement. So yeah, this would be a fun project. I'm hoping this thing will hit. My goal is 50 miles an hour. I think that's a good goal. Considering that one hits 34 with those tiny wheels, maybe even 39. I don't know how much, because the phone says 34, but those radars on the street say 39. So yeah, as always, thanks Ding Dongs for watching. Ding Dongs. Dings Dongs? Ding Dongs. Thank you, Ding Dongs. My dear Ding Dongs, thank you for watching. And stay tuned. It's going to be a little more mini bike stuff and other drift trike things. That's going to be a drift trike. So yeah. I'm sorry it's not the car, but hopefully you like it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
America, America, beautiful. Do you have your passport?